All right, let's have ourselves a beer. Oh, thank goodness. It was just a dream. Well, that was terrifying, but no need to fear. I have my beer right here. Okay, let's go over it. The latest shipment from Tavour. If you do not use Tavour, but you have the ability to, I highly recommend that you check out Tavour and see if they deliver to your area, because then you get beer delivered right to your door every month. It's fantastic. All right, so let's dig in and see what we have this time. I got a big old box, but we have a Mr. Sandman from River North Brewing with Mayan chocolate, a spiced Imperial Stout. Spiced. So this could be interesting. This is, it's vintage, but vintage 2021. So it is very much probably cellarable. Makes sense. So rich chocolate, whole vanilla beans, chili peppers, and a dash of cinnamon. 11.1% ABV. Sounds darn tasty. Alright, what else we got? Ooh. Local Traces Double Dry Hopped Pale Lager. Not something I have very often. Called Barrel and Flow Fest from Trace Brewing. 5.2% ABV. A pale lager dry hopped with Hallertau, Muddlefra, Grungeist, Citra, and Nazaka. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of Googling to understand a little more about that, but got cool little can art on it. Alright, now we have Triple Pineapple Creamsicle. Triple New England Style IPA, 10% ABV from Beer Tree Brewing Company. And they're out of Johnston City, New York. I like it. Pineapples are in your head. Alright, that's pretty cool. Woven in Time, a dark ale brewed with millet and smoked maple syrup. This is also from that same place. So, the Barrel and Flow Fest, but this is the Allagash Brewing Company. So Barrel and Flow must be a place that puts together a bunch of different packages of beer. So, really cool stuff though. Got like an almost 60s vibe to it. Mango Somebody Sip Me. Mango New England Double IPA with Mosaic, Vic Secret, and El Dorado. Oh, and this one is from Turning Point Beer Company in Bedford, Texas. It's got almost like the mask on it. Really cool. Excited for that bad boy. I got another Woven in Time. I must have got two of those. This one has a little bit of an issue with the label stain on, but it's called Campfire Munchies. Imperial Stout with cocoa, marshmallow, graham cracker, and vanilla. This is from Lupulin Brewing out of Big Lake, Minnesota. Campfire Munchies. Got another one of the Local Traces. This one's called Bacon Break. So, by Trillium, the double IPA. So, Trillium and Treehouse in the Northeast are two amazing breweries that I don't get access to very often, so kind of exciting to get a Trillium beer delivered to Iowa. Alright. I also have another mango somebody sent me. We got Shop Talk West Coast style IPA. Not usually one for the West Coast styles, but this one was part of this Barrel and Flow Fest box. So it's from Revolution Brewing. Shop Talk. Two of those as well. Oh, now we have Drecker, which everybody who's watched these videos knows I absolutely love Drecker. Out of Fargo, North Dakota. This is their Everybody Love Everybody Rainbow Sherbet Sour. I'll be pumped to have that one. Really pumped for that one. Another one of the bacon breaks. This one's Talking to the Moon from Celestial Beer Works. Imperial Stout with coffee, vanilla, chocolate, and cinnamon. And that is a terrifying can. Absolutely terrifying. Alright. Ooh, we also have another Rainbow Sherbet Slushy this time from 903 Brewers. Berliner Weiss style ale with tangerine, raspberry, lime, vanilla beans, and lactose. Very generic can, but still pretty cool looking. Oh, another Drecker. This is the strawberry, blueberry, banana braids. Double fruit smoothie sour. Get those bad boys in the fridge as soon as possible. Then we have Hyper Swirl from Beer Tree Brew, passion fruit, raspberry, mango, vanilla, fruited sour. Cool little can art. Okay, so I've had these Chupacabra ones from 903 Brewers before, but this one is batch 4, and it's their oak aged stout, aged on coconut, marshmallow, hazelnut, and white chocolate. I do love me some white chocolate. So, really excited for that one too. This one is from New Image Brewing, Tropically Fantastic. This is an IPA with the new Phantasm powder, so New Zealand hops, so Cascade, Citra, Sabro Cryo, and then the Phantasm yeast. So far they've all been good. Like, I wouldn't say like they're like drastically good, as in I need to know what is in Phantasm, but it's still good. Last but not least, we have another Drecker. This is one of their plops, and this is actually called Painkiller. It's a hefty, fruited, hard seltzer. Damn it, how did Drecker get me to have a seltzer? With pineapple, tangerine, coconut, banana, and nutmeg. So, this could be interesting. Only 6% ABV though. And I think that's it. So, yeah, I really appreciate you guys' time today. I hope you're enjoying these videos. I like doing them. If you enjoy beer as much as I do, please stop by the stream and ask, or leave a comment on this video. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, please hit that follow button, or that subscribe button, and hit those notifications. Make sure you are aware when I go live. And yeah, anyways, thanks again for your time. So I look forward to the next one. Otherwise, cheers, drink up.